Take this workshop. It's literally the best workshop that I've ever taken. It's been life-changing for me.
Just do it. Don't wait. Don't delay. Do it as soon as possible. I wish I had learned this information 10 years ago. I arrived with a lot of fear. I left my fear behind.
A year and a half ago, I went into a doctor's office feeling like a strong, vital, vibrant, healthy woman. He tried to convince me to take bone drugs, which I didn't want to do. And I left feeling as if I were broken. I was afraid to move. I was just terrified. But this has been so empowering, and I think that I am finally letting go of that fear.
I definitely feel more confident and empowered to make a better decision than solely basing it on what my doctor had said, which installed that fear. But now I feel like I can take charge, and I'm really grateful for that.
The Better Bones program is so chock full of information. I can't imagine anybody not being able to put this into play and making a difference in their bone health.
I have been working with Dr. Brown for several years, and I am shocked at how much I am learning.
It was just amazing that I made it to this point in my life and had never heard some of this information before. So the program content was extremely valuable.
This is the third time I've taken this, and I learned something new every time. So you can't go wrong with investing in yourself and taking this workshop at least once.
To see her energy and passion for this topic was really inspirational and fun.
Her dedication and her commitment to research and information in bone health in women is profound.
Just as a wealth of information, not only because of her more than 30 years of working with this, but she relies on studies and other experts in the field, and she shares it so willingly, so lovingly. And I think that's the difference between her programs and other programs out there, is that they give you a little bit of information and they try to sell you everything, their program. But what Dr. Brown tries to sell you is being your own physician, being your own boss, being in charge of your own life. And so she gives you the information. And she does have product, and her products are amazing. I'm using them. And after taking her vitamins and minerals and her doing her program, I feel so much better.
I take great comfort in knowing there's a lot of scientific research behind everything she teaches. If it wasn't for my osteoporosis, I wouldn't be taking care of myself now. So osteoporosis has been my greatest gift, and she's been my other greatest gift this year, because without Dr. Brown, I had no tools to help myself, and I had no hope. It's given me hope, it's given me confidence, and it's given me a plan.
Dr. Brown is clear, she's concise, she's compassionate, she's real. She's really real, and she walks the talk, and she's just wonderful. I just love her.
It had all the elements I need to go forward. I received this binder with great information, fantastic reference material.
She put it all together in a very orderly way so that you had it in a binder.
Look at this. It's full of the latest research, the latest information on nutrition and supplements and stress and exercise, all related to bone health.
It was inspirational to hear other people's stories and to hear their questions and to just be with other people in a similar medical situation seeking solutions.
All the participants, they've asked questions that I might not have asked, but hearing the answers has helped me a lot. We formed a community, and it's really wonderful.
I feel great. I have the tools I need to get my bones healthier and stronger. And I'm in a supportive community, so if I can't figure something out, I now know where I can go to get more help.
This notebook, this information, this community is a pathway to the long, healthy life that I want.
So I want to thank Dr. Susan Brown.
I just want to thank you again, Dr. Brown, for channeling your passions into a way that can help so many.
Thank you so much. And I will be eternally grateful.